Waiting kills me.
Well, isn't it obvious? Well, isn't it obvious?
Let's try our best here. Caitlyn, my little duck and my favorite person. I love you so much, Caitlyn. Since the first day I met you, I knew that you were the best part of my life, and I always wanted to be with you, baby. You're able to make me happy when I'm sad, and you make all the best parts of life so much better than they ever could have been without you, babe. You make everything so much more fun that I can even watch RuPaul with you, Caitlyn. You're the most loving, kind, you're the most selfless, caring, fun, and definitely the goofiest person I've ever met in my whole life. I just love you so much for it, Caitlyn. Being with you makes me want to be a better person, not just for me, but for you, Caitlyn. I want to be able to help you, support you, and make everything better in your life. I love you so much, baby. I'll do my best every day to take care of you, to make you smile and laugh. On good days and bad, I promise that I'll be here for you, Caitlyn. With all the craziness that we deal with on a daily day, at least I've got you.
Not yet.
Forgive me.
Today is the day I get to change your name in my phone from fiancé to husband. A day that, despite all the obstacles getting here, is still perfect because I get to marry my best friend. I love you for the person I am when I'm with you. You allow me to be my goofy, ridiculous self and are always there to support my wild ideas. When I start a sentence with, "Let's do this," or "We should try this," instead of rolling your eyes, you always say, "Of course, babe." And for that, I will forever be grateful. You're the most loving, caring person, and I can see a true reflection of that in Ollie. There's a reason why he's undoubtedly the best dog in the world, and Ryan, you are that reason. Your patience with him and me will never wear thin, and you even taught both of us how to be a little bit more patient. I promise to not get too mad at you when you beat me at a game, and I'll try not to get too mad at you when you use the last bath bomb. I promise to keep you warm at night and always be your little furnace. I promise to love you when you're still playing Fortnite against kids half your age in 20 years. I promise to be your support system and your person when you've had a bad day, as you're always that person for me. I promise to always be your little duck, to make you smile with that little ducky wiggle. I love the life we've made together and all the random drives, donut shops, and breweries ahead of us. I know that together we can take on anything. I mean, if we can plan 3 weddings, cancel 2, and still get married in 2020, we're pretty set. A lot of couples would not have made it through getting married in a pandemic, but for us, as cheesy as it is, it's only made us stronger. Thank you for always being my biggest fan, the greatest fur dad, and the best partner I could have ever imagined. You and me against the world. I love you, Big Ducky.